Hey guys, my name is John and I run a concrete company called The Art of Concrete, and I'm the founder of Your Concrete Source, Architectural Concrete Design. And this is a project that I've done with my team here. So basically, this is an existing concrete porch and sidewalk and also a garage floor. And what I'm doing is I'm just measuring everything up to make sure that we have the correct amount of material to put on top of this existing concrete. And what we're going to do here is just go through, clean up a lot of the cracks, the edges, the control joints and stuff like that. With the products that we use, they are cementitious polymer products, so they're going to bond extremely well to solid concrete surfaces, but they won't bridge cracks like this. So what we do is we put a structural concrete mortar inside of there and fill in any other areas except for sidewalks like this. This sidewalk has to be cut after the overlay is done as well. So what we're going to do is just open up these existing joints to allow the material to go over top of that. And then we're going to actually cut that open again because we want those joints to move freely without an overlay on top. What I'm doing right here is I'm just filling in this void and recreating some new slope. This concrete is probably 30 years old, so it had to be modified a little bit and shaped so that the application that we're going to put on top does work correctly with the existing concrete. So just building it up, reshaping it. This takes a lot of patience. This took quite a while just to get this right and get the slope away from the house. So here's another layer. Now this material is so great to work with. I mean, it's very smooth and you can get it in a bunch of different colors. To be honest with you, it's probably one of the most durable overlay products on the market, and I've used a bunch of different applications and materials to repair and resurface concrete. And here in Canada, we get extreme temperatures. We're seeing temperatures of -30 in the winter sometimes, and plus 35 in the summer. And these materials gotta bond to the existing concrete, so they're made a little bit different in terms of strength. And yes, concrete can be repaired. It can be resurfaced. There's a lot of different ways that it can be done. But in this particular application, we use a cementitious polymer modified application. So we're just going to skip through here and show you part of the washing procedure. This sidewalk was extremely dirty, so what I'm basically doing is just cleaning it up, getting rid of any of this algae and residue on the surface so that we can get a solid bond. So what you're looking at right here is a base layer of cement overlay on top of the existing concrete. We let that dry for about a day, and then we applied the stencil overlay. As you can see here, that shiny surface is actually tape. It's a fiber reinforced tape on top of there, and this stuff sticks really well. So we just went through the entire area and laid it all out, made our stencil. And what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling that stencil out from the bottom layer, and this is our top coat. So this isn't quite set. Now this material is pretty soft, as you can see. We're able to pull the stencil up from underneath. So this is like a 3-part system. You put your base layer, then we put down a stencil design with the tape, then we apply a coating on top of the stencil, and then what we're doing here is just pulling that stencil up. So that's going to reveal the pattern. Alright guys, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. It's a pretty interesting product. You know, I've been using it for quite some time, and it's great for existing concrete surfaces. So these cement overlays act a lot like concrete. In areas that have shade, it's going to be a lot more soft, and in the sun, it's going to set up really fast. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying a acrylic sealer, and the surface has to be really clean. You know, you want to make sure that that surface is super clean, no debris, really dry. And yeah, so I'm just going to go through here and apply the application. So practically almost any concrete surface can be remade to look like this, but the key things is that it can't be cracked up, there can't be a lot of voids, and the structural integrity has to be there, or else it's just going to flake and chip off. But I mean, if you have a good solid slab, then you're good to go for an application like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you're looking for concrete work, give me a shout at theartofconcrete.ca. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.